Okay, let us see what is a ternary operator. As the name suggests, ternary means three statements. So in ternary operators, we will be having three statements at a time. So this is the general syntax of a ternary operator. Straight line is there, then question mark, another straight line, colon, and then straight line. So the first part here is a conditional statement. So the conditional statement like A is greater than B. So if this conditional statement is true, then if it is true, then this part will be executed. And if this conditional statement is false, then this part will be executed. For example, if I take A is 10 and B is 5. So A is greater than 5, A is greater than 5, then this part will be executed. If I say here A and here B, then what it is executing? If A is greater than 5, sorry, if A is greater than B, which is true, you execute A. You execute A, that is you print A. Okay. What if I am writing A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10? In this case, A is not greater than B, which is this is false. If this is false, you print this B. So this is nothing but your ternary operator. Okay, so let us see a program in which if we are entering two numbers in C language, say 10 and 5, the same example, the program should be giving the output of greater number. Okay, the program should say that 10 is the greater number. Okay, for that we have taken two integer values and one greater variable. Okay, a variable named greater. We will be taking both the variable a and b from the user. So I have written printf, enter the values of a and b. And since two values are to be taken from the user, 2%d is written over here, %d, and then ampersand a and ampersand b. So this is the statement for the ternary operator. Here it is asking, suppose I am putting like this, 10 and 5, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. So it will check first part whether it is true or not. So A is greater than B. Is A greater than B? Yes. 10 is greater than 5. So A is greater than B. If this is true, this part will be executed. When I say this is executed, it means that this greater will have a value of A. So the value of A will be stored in this greater. If this would have been false, then value of B will be executed and B will be stored in greater. For now, A is greater than B, it is true. So A will be executed. So your greater number is 10. Okay, so let us just run the program. Let us just compile the program and let me just run it. So it is asking enter the values of A and B. I am writing 10 and 5. So the greater number is 10. So this is nothing. So we will see nested ternary operator. See, in examination they will not ask a theory question on nested ternary operator, but there is a problem that they have repeated 3 times for 4 to 6 marks on nested ternary operator. So what is a nested ternary operator? So in ternary operator you are having a conditional statement and then you are having a question mark. So if it is true, then this statement will be executed. If here it is false, then this place will be executed. Nested ternary operator means, say if A is greater than B, if it is true, if it is going over here, then here you will be having another ternary operator like one line and then question mark, another line, then again a colon and another line. So here, so this is termed as a nested ternary operator. So let me delete everything and let me take one example. Suppose I am working in a recruiting agency and I want to recruit only those person whose age is greater than 18. If the age is less than 18, I will not recruit that person. So this is my basic conditional statement. So if the age is greater than 18, next thing that I need to see is qualification. Qualification, if it is greater than 12 standard, how much salary I will be offering? The salary that I will be offering is 15,000. Okay, but if the qualification of candidate is less than 12th, the salary I will be offering is 5,000 rupees. For that, I need to write a nested ternary operator. Okay. So let me just, I need to have for salary, how much salary I have to give. So I'm writing salary, then 3 lines, question mark, another line, colon, and then another line over here. Okay. So the first conditional statement is age should be greater than 18. So I am entering, I am the user, I am entering age to be 19. So my this statement, conditional statement, becomes true. If it is true, this part will be executed. So age is greater than 18. I am moving to the next part. I am checking for qualification. So if qualification is greater than 12, see, again I am starting with a conditional statement. So here another ternary operator will come. So if qualification is greater than 12, what will happen? If it is greater than 12, it will execute this part, which is, if it is greater than 12, the salary that you will offer is 15,000. But if qualification is less than 12, the guy is 10 standard pass or 11 standard fail. So if it is going over here, the salary will be 5,000. Okay. So this will happen when age is greater than 18. What if I am entering a age which is say 9 years of age? A person who is very much younger but wants to work. As soon as he enters, age is 9, what will happen if this statement is false? It will directly execute this part, and in this part I will say salary is 0. Okay, so this is nothing but nested ternary operator. So this is what we have written, age is greater than 18. If it is greater than 18, I will be checking this part, this ternary operator. See over here, this is this ternary operator. So this is one of the ternary operator. If it is true, executing this part. If it is false, then directly 0. So let me run this program. I'm running the program. It is asking enter the age and qualification of the candidate. Okay, so age is say 18. I'm writing 19, and the qualification is 13, means 12 plus 1. When I enter, the salary of the candidate is 15,000. Okay, so this is termed as nested ternary operator.